Have you ever paused to listen to the whispers of the universe? On a regular morning, as the sun rises, you might feel a gentle breeze, almost like a soft touch on your skin. It is in that moment that life can offer an unexpected encounter. A question hangs in the air: are you really prepared for what is to come? Sometimes, the signs from angels manifest in the subtleties of everyday life. A song that plays just when you need it. A recurring number that appears on every corner. A dream so vivid that you wake up with a sense that something profound is about to happen. These moments are sacred invitations. Messages from the divine that reveal not only what is coming, but also what you need to confront within yourself. They are like beacons on dark nights, guiding you to the truth that awaits your discovery. But how do you feel when facing these messages? Doubts can arise like shadows, clouding your vision. You might wonder, what if I am not up to it? What if this is just my imagination? Old fears can stir, bringing up blockages you thought you had overcome. The heart may race, and insecurity may whisper that you are not worthy of the gifts that are on their way. What if I told you that these feelings are the very key to your transformation? What if the angels were not just trying to show you what is coming, but also revealing that the true battle is facing your own limitations? This is your chance to break the chains that bind you. It is a test for your heart, an invitation to break free and embrace change. Now, the decision is in your hands. You can choose to remain in the safety of the familiar or take a step forward into the unknown. Love, joy, fulfillment, none of these wait for anyone. The question resonates: will you act now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? What will you choose? The moment is now. The universe is waiting for you. Have you ever paused to notice the small wonders that surround your everyday life? A smile from a stranger, a song that plays at just the right moment, or even sunlight filtering through dark clouds. It's as if the universe is conspiring in your favor, whispering secrets that you may not yet be ready to hear. What do these signs really mean? Is there something deeper, a message that transcends the reality you know? Angels, those ethereal entities that dwell in the space between heaven and earth, communicate with you in subtle and powerful ways. They don't have voices that echo, but their messages manifest in synchronicities, repeated numbers, or even in vivid dreams that seem to tell stories. When you encounter these manifestations, it's not mere coincidence. It's an invitation to open your heart and listen. Each sign is a piece of a divine puzzle, guidance that can illuminate your path and bring clarity in times of uncertainty. But deep down, you feel it. A weight in your chest. Doubts piling up like heavy clouds. What if all of this is just an illusion? What if those angelic whispers are merely echoes of your own mind, struggling against loneliness and fear? It's normal to feel lost, to question the validity of these signs, or even to hesitate in believing that something greater is guiding you. You ask yourself, am I ready to hear what the angels have to say? What if what I discover is something I don't want to face? And then suddenly, the revelation strikes like lightning in the midst of a storm. What if the angels are not just trying to comfort you, but revealing an essential truth about your life? They are calling you not just to embrace the light, but to confront the darkness you have been avoiding. What lies hidden beneath your insecurities? What does your heart truly desire, yet fears to pursue? The answer may be the key you need to unlock a new chapter in your life. Now, it's time for a decision. Are you willing to step forward, to leave behind the uncertainties, and to embrace the journey your angels are presenting to you? Love and opportunity wait for no one. Ask yourself, will you take action now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? It's time to listen, to feel, to act. What lies ahead will test your heart, but it will also be a divine opportunity for transformation. Imagine yourself on a serene night, the full moon casting its gentle glow over the world. You are alone, but you don't feel lonely. A light breeze brushes against your face, and for a brief moment, you sense a presence. It's as if something is whispering in your ear, you are about to discover something profound. But at the same time, a shadow of doubt settles in your heart. What does this calling mean? What are the angels trying to tell you? Spiritual signs are like stars in a dark sky. Sometimes, they shine brightly, revealing truths that were hidden. You might notice a sequence of numbers that seems to appear endlessly, hear a song that resonates with your soul, or feel a shiver when thinking about an important decision. These signs are messages from the angels, guiding you through the maze of life. They are not here to scare you, but to remind you that you are not alone. Each sign is a light, a direction. But what if, instead of feeling guided, you feel paralyzed by your own fears? It is in this space that many of us find ourselves. Doubts begin to pile up like dark clouds, obscuring the view of what lies ahead. You might wonder, what if I fail? Or what if I'm not worthy of this opportunity? It's a painful internal battle. The voice of fear screams louder than that of love. You find yourself hesitating, questioning your abilities, and feeling trapped in a cycle of uncertainty. What goes on in your heart is a deep conflict. The desire to move forward is smothered by the fear of taking a wrong step. How can you be sure you're on the right path? What if, instead of allowing these insecurities to paralyze you, you viewed them as an opportunity? A chance to confront your deepest truths. What if the angels aren't just trying to show you that your fears are real, but that they are also a door, a passage you must cross to reach your true essence? What lies on the other side of your internal struggle? The answer could be freeing. The love, courage, and truth you seek are waiting to be revealed, but they require you to face the darkness that resides within. Now imagine for a moment, what would happen if you decided not to let your fears rule your life? Love doesn't wait. It's a pulsing call, an energy that cannot be ignored. The big question is, will you take action now, confronting your fears, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? The choice is yours. Transformation begins within you. It's time to open your heart and allow the light of the angels to illuminate your path. Are you ready for this journey? Have you ever stopped to think that destiny might be weaving an invisible thread around you? Imagine yourself on a regular day when suddenly, a gentle breeze carries a whisper. It's a message that seems to echo within the walls of your heart. Can you feel it? Something bigger is at play, and the signs from angels are manifesting in ways you never imagined. These signs might appear in small details, a song that plays exactly when you need to hear it, a sequence of numbers that keeps repeating, or even the comforting presence of a feather falling from the sky. They are like beacons amidst the fog, guiding you toward the hidden truth within your being. Each one is a confirmation that you are not alone. The angels are by your side, ready to offer support and clarity. But then doubt creeps in. You feel trapped in a cycle of fears and insecurities. What if you're on the wrong path? What if your choices aren't the best? What happens if you can't reach the dreams you so desperately desire? These thoughts can feel like chains, binding you to a place of despair. You begin to doubt not only yourself, but also the strength of the universe that you believe is by your side. What if I told you that this fear is actually a reflection of something greater? What if the angels aren't just trying to show you that there's light at the end of the tunnel, but that this is the pivotal moment of your life? What you perceive as obstacles, they see as opportunities. Every blockage is a chance for growth. You may be on the verge of a monumental transformation, but you need to open your eyes and your heart to it. Now, I ask you, are you ready to break free from these chains? What lies ahead may be a test, but it's also an opportunity for growth. Love, light, truth, these are all waiting for you, but the choice to act is yours. Will you hesitate, or will you take a step into the unknown? Life doesn't wait. And the big question is, will you embrace this transformation now, or spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? Have you ever stopped to gaze at the sky on a calm night, when the stars seem to shine with intent? There's something magical about how their light pierces the darkness, almost as if they want to share ancient secrets with us. Now, imagine that amidst this vastness, a shooting star crosses your path. A wish arises, and a question echoes in your heart. Am I really living the life I want? Spiritual signs are all around us, manifesting in subtle and unexpected ways. Sometimes, They might be a song playing at just the right moment, or a recurring number appearing before you. These are whispers from angels, messages guiding us at every step, revealing truths we often prefer to ignore. They encourage us to look within, to confront our deepest intentions. What's in your heart? What do you truly desire? However, it's natural to feel doubts. Life is a journey filled with challenges, and often, the fear of the unknown paralyzes us. Have you ever felt trapped in a cycle, questioning your choices? Insecurity can become a burden, a shadow that clouds your vision. Why is it so hard to take the next step? What holds you back from acting, from opening up to the possibilities that await you? These feelings are part of the journey, but they do not define who you are. Now imagine that, in this moment of doubt, you receive a powerful revelation. What if I told you that the angels are telling you that your heart is stronger than you think? That the difficulties you face are opportunities in disguise? The test that life presents is not an obstacle, but an invitation for you to reconnect with your essence. You are not alone on this journey. Every challenge is a chance to rise up, to reinvent yourself, and to allow your heart to guide your actions. Change begins when you decide to act. Ask yourself, what does my heart truly desire? It's time to transform those desires into actions. Don't let fear dictate your path. Life is a series of choices, and each choice can lead you to a new destination. Love, happiness, and fulfillment do not wait. Are you ready to open your heart and take the first step? Don't let doubt keep you trapped. What you do now could be what transforms your life forever. It's time to rise up and live fully. Have you ever stopped to notice how storms bring not just rain, but also the promise of a rainbow? In the midst of chaos, there's hidden beauty, a transformation waiting to happen. What if I told you that every challenge you face is an opportunity in disguise, waiting to be discovered? The angels are always present, whispering messages of encouragement and hope. They manifest in subtle signs, a feather that appears in your path, a song that plays at an unexpected moment, or a thought that comes to mind like a flash of light. Each of these moments is an invitation to look beyond the surface, to realize that life is full of deep meanings. They want you to know that you are not alone in your struggles. But perhaps you feel trapped. Fears and doubts can feel like chains that keep you captive. Have you ever questioned if you are strong enough to overcome what lies ahead? The inner voice that tells you that you are not capable echoes in your mind, and you might hesitate to take the next step. What would happen if you failed? What if the effort wasn't worth it? These thoughts can be paralyzing, but they are just shadows that cloud the light of your true potential. Now, imagine a revelation that could change everything. What if, instead of seeing your challenges as barriers, you began to see them as opportunities for growth? Every obstacle is a chance for you to discover your inner strength. The angels are here to remind you that difficulties are merely steps in your journey, each one designed to shape you, to teach you, and to strengthen your spirit. When you shift your perspective, you realize that you are capable of more than you ever imagined. Now, the choice is in your hands. This is your opportunity to take action. Look within and ask yourself, am I ready to transform my challenges into growth? The love and light you seek are not outside of you, they are within, waiting to be unleashed. Don't let fear hold you back. What will you do from now on? The rainbow is waiting for you, but you need to step into the storm first. The decision is yours. Have you ever stopped to think that life is a dance between the known and the unknown? Imagine yourself in a dark room, where the only light comes from within you. That light is your essence, and it is about to be tested. What will you do when change approaches, like a gentle breeze carrying the scent of transformation? Angels are always around you, whispering messages of love and guidance. They manifest in small signs, a song playing at just the right moment, a recurring number on your path, or even a feeling of unwavering peace when you need it most. These signs are like beacons, lighting your way and inviting you to take a closer look, to listen more intently. They reveal that you are not alone and that every challenge is a disguised opportunity. But what if, deep down, you feel paralyzed by fear. Fear of what lies ahead. Fear of leaving the familiar behind. Doubts may whisper in your mind, questioning your abilities and making you wonder if you truly deserve a bright future. These uncertainties are like invisible chains, trying to keep you anchored to a past that no longer serves you. Do you feel this? The pressure of a heart crying out for freedom, yet held captive by your own insecurities? Now, imagine a revelation that could change everything. What if I told you that what you fear facing might be the key to your true happiness? The angels are not just showing you that you need to change. They are revealing that you have within you the strength needed for this transformation. The test ahead is not merely a trial of endurance, but an opportunity for rebirth. You are stronger than you realize, and the light shining in your heart is more powerful than any shadow of doubt. So, I invite you to take action. Love, happiness, peace, all of these require courage. Now is the time to open your heart and accept the challenge that life presents to you. What lies ahead will test your heart, but it will also be a chance for you to break free. Will you allow yourself to take that step? Or will you continue wondering what could have been? The choice is yours, and the time to act is now. Embrace the change and allow it to transform not only your future, but also your soul.